Welcome to the eerie and beautiful world of the ghost glass catfish. Known scientifically as Cryptopterus biceros, the fish originates from East Asia.
The highly unique catfish belongs to the Siluridae family.
For both. The most striking feature is the completely transparent and clear body.
The lack of pigmentation reveals the entire internal skeletal structure.
Clear fish looks exactly like a living, swimming X-ray image.
Notice the small silver sac near the head, containing all internal organs.
Long sensory barbels extend forward to help the fish navigate. The ghost glass catfish reaches a maximum size of 10 centimeters.
Sometimes the clear skin catches the light, showing a subtle rainbow reflection. Always keep the species in a dedicated school of at least 5 individuals. Schooling behavior is an absolute survival requirement for the sensitive fish.
Keeping a single glass catfish alone will cause severe stress and starvation.
The fish rests confidently only when surrounded by a large schooling group. The nocturnal fish avoids bright lights by hiding deep in the shadows.
The species becomes highly active during the early dawn lighting period.
Evening dusk triggers the natural and active foraging behavior.
The completely peaceful nature makes the fish an excellent community member.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 10 gallons, or 38 liters.
A highly dense forest of aquatic plants provides necessary security. Large pieces of natural driftwood create perfect shaded hiding spots.
Dark caves formed by river stones help the fish feel entirely safe.
Maintain the water temperature steadily between 24 and 27 degrees. The warm and stable tropical environment keeps the sensitive fish healthy.
The ideal pH level ranges from 6.5 to 7.0.
The fish absolutely requires slightly acidic and highly pristine freshwater conditions.
Keep the water hardness level carefully between 8 and 12. The sensitive nature creates a medium care difficulty meant for experienced keepers. The omnivorous fish leans towards a highly carnivorous daily diet.
Live Daphnia triggers the natural stealthy hunting instincts beautifully.
Frozen bloodworms provide essential protein for the transparent fish.
The fish occasionally nibbles on high-quality algae wafers for balanced nutrition.
The schooling group feeds together in perfect and peaceful synchronization.
After eating, the tiny internal stomach becomes slightly opaque and filled.
The transparent fish hovers completely parallel to the bottom sandy substrate.
The transparency allows the fish to act as a living aquatic ghost.
A delicate and clear anal fin runs along the entire lower body.
The long anal fin creates a beautiful rippling swimming motion.
Ever housed the completely defenseless fish with aggressive tank mates? Peaceful bottom-dwelling loaches make completely perfect tank companions. A slight milky whiteness indicates a serious and dangerous drop in water quality. A massive routine water change is absolutely essential for long-term health.
The fish thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water current.
A massive school creates an incredibly surreal and mesmerizing visual effect.
The species remains a highly sought-after rarity in the aquarium hobby.
Natural dried Indian almond leaves release beneficial tannins for the sensitive fish.
Fully dimmed evening lighting showcases the transparent body perfectly.
The highly cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden vibrations.
The calm fish interacts peacefully with gentle daily tank maintenance.
Notice the tiny visible brain structure located directly behind the eyes.
The species brings an undeniable level of sophisticated mystery to any layout.
During the bright midday cycle, the fish rests calmly near dark backgrounds.
The careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive plants. A quick turn reveals the incredibly thin and completely flat side profile.
The fish looks exactly like a swimming phantom, guarding the underwater kingdom.
Floating green plants provide soothing comfort by blocking harsh light.
Highly oxygenated and pristine water ensures the absolute best health condition. The glass catfish serves as the absolute perfect centerpiece for experienced aquarists. Behold the transparent and highly majestic beauty of the incredible glass catfish.
Add the unforgettable glass catfish to the specialized community aquarium today.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing rare fish care guides.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the transparent ghost glass catfish? Tell us below.
Adulutman antofluorescent. The glass catfish is a true 5-star addition for dedicated fish keepers.
Thank you for exploring the highly unique and transparent freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby. Always remember to appreciate the transparent wonders in your beautiful aquarium.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
Keep your water perfectly clean and your sensitive catfish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup. As the Aquatic Lee, happy fish keeping.
Incredibly strong schooling behavior is absolutely critical for long-term survival.
The unique fish entirely lacks a standard prominent dorsal fin.
The transparent body navigates seamlessly through intricate rock hardscape designs.
A passing shaft of sunlight illuminates the clear body brilliantly.
The fish checks every floating plant root for microscopic food particles. A large schooling group calmly establishes a totally peaceful hierarchy.
Avoid sharp substrates to absolutely protect the highly sensitive long barbels.
Specialized micro pellets are caught eagerly before reaching the bottom.
The delicate spinal column flexes smoothly during every single swimming motion. The hungry school eagerly swarms highly nutritious pieces of live tubifex.
Subtle silver coloration is located exclusively on the front head area.
The fish possesses incredible speed when catching falling pieces of food.
Species brings an undeniable and totally unique aesthetic to the layout.
The fish explores the deep corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
Notice the incredibly complex pattern of tiny internal ribs, clearly visible.
The fish demonstrates extreme resilience only when strict parameters are met. The completely harmless fish interacts perfectly safely with small freshwater snails.
The dim evening lights instantly awaken the energetic and hungry catfish.
The transparent fish makes even dull decorations look instantly beautiful.
Schooling group creates a highly entertaining and dynamic rippling swimming motion. The catfish serves as the absolute perfect premium centerpiece for Asian biotopes.
Species provides a highly engaging entry point into keeping sensitive oddballs.
A pristine environment maintains the beautifully clear and delicate tail fin. Flawless breathing relies on a highly oxygenated and absolutely crystal clear environment.
Once completely relaxed, the fish spreads out slightly across the middle column.
The species is an exceptionally unique and highly rewarding pet for experts.